If you see that there's some files and the files doesn't have an application associated with it, for example, sometimes this is a quick setting fix, is not a broken file. So let's solve this specific problem. So the first thing to do is to right click into the file to make sure that this one actually is now available. For example, let's say this one. So right click and go for the element that says properties. Look down for the element that says type of file, and you can see that we have this specific type of file into my general type. This tells you the exact file extension. So into my settings, I need to go for the element that says applications, and inside here I wanted to look out for the element that says default applications. Then I wanted to scroll down and click choose the files element that sometimes it appears directly inside here. There we go. Let's go for choose the files by file type, and the file type, usually, for example, you want to find your file extension, which in my case is CBS. This is the one that we actually find. So here into the CBS file, into the actual list, select the application you wanted to open with it, which in this case should be all of this. If you don't have one, you can browse an application into the Microsoft Store to see which one can help you with this specific file, and you're good to go. So if you're not sure which application to use, you can right click into the file, select open with, for example, and then choose another application or choose an application into your PC. So you can download one into your Microsoft Store, and then you can choose one specific element. If the application is already set as a default but it's the error persists, what we can do is that inside the settings and applications, we can now focus into installed applications. Inside here, what I wanted to do is to click the three dots next to the actual application that you downloaded. Let's say, for example, this one, and go for advanced options or modify. If you don't see one directly appearing inside here, let's go for this one. Let's go for modify. Let's go for yes. Usually there are a few elements that says repair, so Windows will remember the actual choice. Try repair first and then reset if that worked. Now let's run a file system check just in case none of this actually worked. If you open your command prompt, what we can do is to make sure that we type sfc scan now, fast forward / scan now. Basically what's going to happen here is that the corrupted system file can damage the file association settings. So Windows will be making a quick scan of your computer, and it will be showing you something like Windows Resource Protection did not find any integrity violations, and if so, it will be trying to repair this automatically, and you're good to go. Now, if you generally don't have any application for that file specific type, you can search the file extension online to find out the program creates this, and we can download and install the application before trying it again. For example, CSV file download. And there should be a few applications that can be helping you for this. For example, the stats NT, the data blitz, whatever. So that's it. Your files should open normally again. If this fixed this for you, let me know which step worked. You can tell us a little more about your specific file that you're trying to open and actually didn't work, so we can try to figure out which is the actual main problem and solve this all together as a community. So thank you for watching, guys, and see you guys next time.